right, we're going to take a quick tour of this new listing here in Sun City West. The home is 2,156 square feet, sits on 0.44 acres in Sun City West. Fully remodeled back in 2013 and 2014. Everything from the exterior, stucco, new windows, new roof, new sewer line, new water line. Inside, we've got, again, everything pretty much all new in 2013, 2014. You can see that they took down walls and really opened this up and modernized the home. All new doors, all new cabinets, countertops, appliances, electrical, plumbing, everything fully renovated at the end of 2013, beginning of 2014. In the garage, really quick, just to point out, there is a couple of things that were done out here as well. We've got the epoxy flooring. This wall was actually pushed out just a little bit to give a nice even line there in the kitchen. We've got the attic access with stairs, and then there's a vent fan here that actually draws the hot air out of the garage space. Let me turn that on really quick here. See how that activates and just starts pulling the hot air out. Very nice. Coming inside, I can hear, as I mentioned, all new windows, new lighting fixtures, new electrical wiring, everything done up to code, ceiling fans. They did a really beautiful job in here with the bathrooms as well. Granite countertops, walk-in showers here. So we've got tiled shower in the guest bath. They did renovate the guest space, moving the walls to where the guest room was not larger than the owner's suite. We've got a walk-in closet here. Nice, still very spacious room here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll take a look over in the owner's suite. All right, so owner's suite, we've got a really nice space here with a walk-in closet there. Lots of storage space. And you've got a little alcove over here that's your dresser. Some of the items that are available for purchase if desired, that hot tub sitting outside, it's a Tough Spa. That comes with a warranty against sun damage. The furniture is available for purchase. We've got lots of storage space with one linen closet here and another behind the door there. Check out this shower. Beautiful walk-in, large shower. The opening here is wide enough that for handicap access, you would just have this, it's about 1.5 inches there of a little step that would have to be removed or have a ramp added. But the opening is wide enough for a wheelchair. Over here, we've got dual sinks and a jetted tub and a private toilet room. Let's go check out the backyard as well. So this home did originally have a swimming pool when it was purchased by these owners, but it had been abandoned and not functioning for quite some time. So that was filled in. And in its place, we've got some beautiful landscaping here. Big giant paver patio, big pergola, providing a nice shady spot. We do have 4 types of citrus on the property. There's lemon, orange, grapefruit, and tangelos. Beautiful space, no one behind you. So you've got the partial block wall, ability to add additional fencing if desired. But this is a great home. Come and check it out if you are looking for a fully renovated, modernized home in Sun City West.